Get this kit and more from Uncle Chen Workshop. The links of his Facebook page and Shopee in the description down below. Hey guys, what's up? And this is Easy from RZ Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. This week, let's check out the smallest scale of plastic model kit. This is YUI number 57 armored puppet, made by a company called Creative Field. It is 1/24 scale, same scale as Kotobukiya Hexa gear. I bought this from Uncle Chen Workshop, priced around 85 ringgit Malaysia, and for yen somewhere around 2,500 to 2,600. You guys can check this one out on Hobby Search. Creative Field not only releasing this YUI matte puppet design, also they have a lot of other designs like these model kits, including their latest release, a transformable shadow wolf, all in 1/24 scale. You guys can check all of them on Hobby Search. Link is in the description down below. This is the box, and the box art looks so cool. We have two matte designs here, twin tail with a long hairstyle and with their official logo and names. On this side we have YUI and information here, the core body, we have the base also included and some information, and on this side another long hair YUI. And these are the options that you can do and included inside this box. There are 17 runners in total, an instruction manual, set of hands, decals, action-based manual, and parts for the base. After assemble them, these are what you will get. A lot of accessories, even for a small scale model kit. So far I don't have any snap fitting issue. Just be careful because these are tiny parts. Packs are easy to break and small parts are easy to misplace inside your room. Before we move on with the matte outfit design, we need to see the core body of this kit first. And it looks so cool. It can do a lot of awesome action poses despite the scale is so small, but it has a lot of nice articulation. Head can move up and down, go side to side, make one full rotation. The neck can move forward and backward like this. Arms can move up about this far, make one full rotation, swivel here, bend about this much, rotation here, and it can bend like this. The main body part can move like this and like so. This lower part is using ball joint and it can make this kind of movement. You can extend this waist a bit for extra range of articulation. Legs can do high kick and back about this much. It can bend more using 2 point of joints right here, and the legs can spread out like this. This part is using tiny ball joint. A lot of movement can be done here. At the back there's a 3mm hole to attach the weapon, such as this knife here. Size comparison with Kotobukiya Sosai Shoujo Teien, Kotobukiya Frame Ups Girl Sylphie, Good Smile Company Nandroid, and Kotobukiya Megami Device. For the weapon set, it has a sniper rifle, 2 handguns, 1 machine gun, and there's another gun hiding inside this one. Pull it out, and a knife, and a hand grenade. She comes with a set of grabby hand, a set of open hand, a set of fist, another set of open hand, another set of open hand, a set of peace sign, another set of grabby hand for weapons. For the hair design, she has a pink color long hairstyle, pink color twin tail hairstyle, and pink color short hairstyle. Also comes in green color of long, twin tail, and short hairstyle. There is only one core body, but you can change it into 3 different matte outfit designs. This is the first outfit with all her armor attached and short skirt matte style of outfit. Before I move on with the next outfit design, actually if you guys notice that I lose a black tiny piece of her skirt here, the E14 part, it went into a black hole and I couldn't find it. So be careful when assembling tiny kits like this. Alright, let's move on. The next matte outfit design, another skirt but different in style, still maintaining the rest of her armors, and this is the third outfit, a long type of skirt which looks so badass. The rest of her armors are still the same. The only difference for these outfits are the skirt designs. For the articulation are the same for every three designs. Shoulder armors can move a bit like this. Movement for the front skirt and the back skirt also can be moved. Leg armors are mostly covering the front side, and the waist need to change from gray part to white part. She also comes with a set of pearl parts that you can change the entire white parts from the outfit into this pearl color, and it looks like this. Extra tiny packs for the leg joints are also included. This is called the ultimate base because it has a lot of option parts that you can choose from, and 3mm holes are everywhere. You can move the gates any way you like. Some articulation there, extra parts including pack connectors, joints, extender, and if you get two of the same kit, you can combine it with another base and create a bigger one. Overall, this is an amazing plastic model kit. Even though the size is small, it is compatible with Kotobukiya Hexa gear like one that I have here, the Rayblade Impulse. These are some poses of Yui in her core body with all her weapons included. Sniper rifle, handguns, knife, and so on. Also Yui in her matte outfits and her ultimate base. This is a very fun looking kit to play with, and these shots including her best moment with my Bullet Knights Lancer, and Yui looks like a doll to her. And so that's all the review for today. I see you guys next time in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe. Ciao. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on RZ Eizy Customizer Facebook page and my Instagram RZ Eizy. The links are in the description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, reviews, tutorials, and many more, because here on RZ Eizy Customizer we build, we share, and we inspire. See you guys next time. Ciao.